Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to schedule bedtime on Google Fit. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Keeping up with your fitness should be easy. Google Fit offers a straightforward way to track your health across device, but does it work and which fitness tracker staying with it? On my previous video, I've shown you how to use Google Fit, and now what if you want to schedule your bedtime? It's so simple. So first of all, we have to open our Google Fit. And here, you can go to your profile here on the bottom right here. There is an option, bedtime schedule. You can enable this feature by tap on the toggle in here, and you can set the bedtime. You can choose. You can custom for the time for the get in bed. If you want to get in bed at 10 p.m. and wake up at 5 a.m. Okay. So now here's your bedtime schedule. So when it's your time to get in bed, your Google Fit will remind you on your phone. It's so simple, right? So that is how to schedule bedtime on Google Fit. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.